we're going to zoom in. Okay, still a few minutes earlier, so here we are at 15 hours 58 minutes, and here's the moon going in front of North America, and we have a nice total solar eclipse there. I give about half a minute here at a time for each frame. Here we have changed our vantage point. We're on the moon now, looking at Earth. And of course, we're not going to see each other. I mean ourselves, the moon. By the way, a moment ago, when we looked from the sun, we did see the moon as well as the Earth because we're the light source. So we see the entire full moon from our point of view of the sun a moment ago, and the Earth as well. So anyway, here comes the moon. Again, half a minute at a time. And what you see here is actually, let me stop here. What you see here is actually the penumbral shadow of the moon, and the umbral shadow, where you have a total solar eclipse, is actually a tiny circle, and the software doesn't show that. Tiny circle that goes kind of from Oregon into Georgia and the Carolinas, and that's where you would have a total solar eclipse. And here it peters then out in the Atlantic Ocean. And again, we have changed our vantage point. We're now on Earth, same solar eclipse, and I checked that earlier. We're in the state of Missouri. That's kind of in the middle of where we have the solar eclipse, or in the middle of the path of the solar eclipse. And so this is how it looks from Earth. I'm going to make this slower here. One at a time, again, half a minute at a time. And that's about as dark as it gets. And I believe it's a 2-minute eclipse. This star over here is actually a relatively bright star, Regulus, and the constellation Leo. And then the eclipse proceeds. And then it's over. And then the moon should vanish here into the blue sky. And that's how solar eclipses work.